for coming and listening to this debate. It's wonderful to see so many people who are interested in hearing opinions, because that's one of the most important things about debate. It's actually about listening. It's actually about hearing points of view that you may not like. It's a format that allows us in a formal way to hear other people's viewpoints, and that is very important in any democracy. And you are a new democracy. You're learning, as somebody on the panel said, you're in transition. It's a very important process to realise that yes, you want to move towards consensus. Yes, all Tunisians want to be together. But there's also people with different opinions, and that is important, that you have a way, and debates are a wonderful way of listening to those other opinions. As you saw, the formalities meant that everybody had 2 minutes, 3 minutes to say what they needed to say, and you all sat there and listened to it, and then you make up your minds, and that's very important too. As citizens in a democracy, it's for you to choose who leads you. And to choose who leads you, you must know, you must have facts. You must understand what your politicians have done. You know, are they doing things that you want? They said they were going to do. Have they achieved what you voted them in to do? And that is very important, that you make up your own minds. Because when you vote, you must vote with knowledge. Vote is very important. You must vote with knowledge. And debates are a wonderful way of learning things, of learning facts. Now, I think this is what was interesting from the debates, and I applaud. First of all, I applaud every person here for speaking in my language, but in English, your second, sometimes your third language. And I think they should all have a big round of applause for doing that. I thought that they were absolutely fantastic, and I thought that their arguments were fantastic. I just think you've all done incredibly well. And I suppose one final thing, I think that all of you have learnt the skills of debating. You have obviously done it many times. And I think that it's a combination of persuasion, of using words that persuade people, but it's also about basing your arguments on facts. And a number of you had done your research, and you had tried to find your facts to base your arguments on. So, and I think that is very good. I did notice at points that you